Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Embassy 1 by Embassy Group located in Subhash Nagar, Pokhran Road 2, Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual sales office. Behind which we also have the actual land parcel of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, carpet area, floor plan, master plan, unit plan, analysis, maintenance, parking, possessions, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listed platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 7.25 acres that will have total of 7 towers with 3 basement, ground plus 36 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Subhash Nagar, Pokhran Road number 2, Thane, from where Jupiter Hospital is at a distance of 1.2 kilometers, Viviana Mall is at a distance of 1.3 kilometers, D-Mart is at a distance of 2.3 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, you will be getting imported marble flooring, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink and much more. And in the external amenities, you will be getting 20 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, you will be getting a large swimming pool, kids pool, clubhouse, tennis court, cricket pitch and many more. Let's now have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan where you can see these are the 7 towers with 2 BHK of 855 and 929 square feet and 3 BHK of 1091 and 1136 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of Embassy 1 where you can see you will be getting 4 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor, and same goes for every tower. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. As you can see, this is the typical unit plan of 2 BHK of 929 square feet and this is the typical unit plan of 3 BHK of 1136 square feet. And now, talking about the maintenance of the project varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 7,700 to 8,400 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 9,800 to 10,200 per month. And now, talking about the parking part, this project has basement level of car parking facilities. And now, talking about the possession part, this project has RERA possession date for June 2029, but the target possession is for June 2028. And talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Embassy 1 by Embassy Group located in Pokhran Road number 2, Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.